Okay guys, good morning. This is about 7 a.m. I will not say I just woke up, because looking at my face, I'm not looking like somebody that just woke up. I've been working, so. But anyways, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you'll be watching this video. So I think this video will be for Vlogmas day 5 or 6, one of those 2 days. I don't know yet. Like, I don't know, man. This Vlogmas thing, may the Lord give me the strength. But hopefully, I know the first week will be looking boring, but don't worry. I promise you guys, second week of Vlogmas, you're gonna enjoy it, because I'll be traveling. Yeah, I'll be traveling. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into today's video. I'll be showing you guys the tea I take every morning, because I remember the last time I said, are you guys feeling my weight loss and all that? Man, I just imagine if I was taking this tea and I'm going to gym. Man, it will be but this one, no gym, nothing, just drinking of the tea every morning, and I'm seeing results. I don't know why I keep looking elsewhere whenever I'm doing video. But anyways, I've not done proper intro. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Abby Special, as usual. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, thank you very much. Please consider subscribing, and if you're coming back, thank you very much. Like, you guys are the best. Thank you. So today's video, like I said, I'm just going to show you guys what I put together in the morning that I take for the past, I think it's going to 1 month already I started this. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys it right now. Let me just show you guys. Let me stop talking. I think I've talked a lot, don't worry. I'm just going to show you guys everything right now. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I hope you guys can hear me. So I'm going to start off by putting 2 cups of water into the pots. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to add is cinnamon powder. I'm just going to add 1 spoon of cinnamon powder into my water. Hey, don't mind me, into my water. Let me take it close so you see how it looks like. At first, you see, this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to leave this to boil. Then the next thing I'm going to add is clove. For my clove, I take a little, because if you put too much, your tea will be bitter. Look at, can you see? If it's too much, you end up with something very bitter. So that's it. I'm just going to let that boil. So while waiting for this mixture to boil, you can let me show you what the water is looking like now. You can see, just allow everything infuse into the water. What's wrong with me and water? But anyways, I'm just going to wait for this to boil. Then while waiting, I'm just going to do my other mixture into my jar. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. It has been boiling for like 3 minutes. Yeah, so the next, let me show you the other things I'll be mixing with this mixture. Yeah, because this is also a mixture, cinnamon and clove. Yeah, so I'm sure we are familiar with this when it comes to burning belly fat and all that. Apple cider vinegar, it's almost finished. Then lemon and oh, did I just call this lemon? What's wrong with me? Honey, please. Honey and lemon. Oh Jesus. Then this is what I use to take it. I actually bought this just for this my tea because of apple cider vinegar. Why, you know, researching about it, I found out that apple cider spoils your teeth, so it's advisable for you to take it with a straw. That's why I bought this jar with a straw, so I know that this is just for my tea, because man, this tea smell is something that sticks to whatever you're using it with, so I have to just buy something different for it. That's why I'm using this jar. So in case you're taking apple cider vinegar, try to use it with a straw. Yeah, let's go ahead and mix it. I think I've ranted a lot. Mixing time. I'm just going to go ahead and shake my apple cider first. What's wrong with you? Hey, I use 2 spoons of this. Then for my honey, I use 1. But man, let me not lie, some days when my head touch, I use 2 so that the tea will be very sweet. But anyways, there's no harm. This is not sugar, it's honey, so there's nothing bad there. Like, I want it sweet, so I'm using sugar to make it sweet. You get? So the next thing I'm going to add is my lemon. This lemon is looking so dry. Don't know. Sometimes I feel like I miss going to markets because I can buy things to my taste. All these go rider, you send them markets, they will go to more and more. They will sell another thing for you. See, no water. Anyways, I tried to use 2 spoons of this. I think if you don't want to go through this stress of squeezing lemon every morning, I think there's already I think they sell lemon juice or something. Oh man, in my head I feel like this is the one that will work for me. This is annoying, but anyways, I don't know. Can you see inside? So I'm going to go ahead and stir this. The next thing is to put our boiling cinnamon, and I've mixed everything together. So the next thing is to put our boiling cinnamon and clove, and yeah, our tea is ready. I've actually off the gas, but I want it to, you know, settle down, so I'll just take the up. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it for the particles to settle down. Then I'm just going to take the up with my cup. Yeah, so that's it. Okay guys, so our tea is ready. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So it's still very hot, so I can't take it now. Like, it's still very hot, but trust me, this one my face is like this, and I want to say trust me, it tastes good. But anyways, it's not that bad. Not that bad. It's not bad. My face is just like this because I don't like taking lemon. That's why some days I use 2 spoons of honey instead of 1, so that who's texting me, so that it will be sweet, but it's not bitter. Trust me, it's not bitter. It's not bitter. Yeah, so minus taking this tea, see, I would have sit down and do this part of the video, but inside my room is dark. Like, I don't know. Minus taking this tea, I have other things too I had to do to maintain a healthy diet. or to lose my weight in a healthy way, because yeah, I'm losing weight but I'm not looking sick. Yes, that's one important thing about losing weight, because sometimes you lose weight and you start looking like you have one sickness. But I'm losing weight but looking healthy. And let me tell you guys something. So while losing weight, in short, let me leave the story for another day. So anyways, the other things I had to adapt is I stopped eating a lot. So don't just take this tea in the morning and after taking the tea you eat like 3 plates of rice. In the afternoon you take cornflakes with a lot of milk. In the night most of us will still eat rice again or something else. And in this country we eat rice a lot, which is not really good for us sometimes, but some people they eat it and they still maintain good size. But to those of us that our food is to show. So what I tried new is that this is my breakfast. So after this I don't take anything again till noon. When I mean noon, from 1, that's when I eat. And if I'm going to eat from 1, I make sure I don't eat too much. Portion control is another thing I try, because if you leave me, honestly, anybody that knows me, that I don't do shakara for. When I want to eat, hey Jesus, I have a very big appetite. So but because of I have a goal that I want to achieve, I had to stop eating too much. Because of that, I even stopped stew, because whenever I boil rice, I tend to boil a lot and I'll be like, I don't want it to waste, I'll eat them. I'll just sit down and eat everything. So I stopped that. If I'm eating rice, it has to be small. And in a week, I try not to eat rice 3 times or more than 3 times. Let's say 3 times, but no more than 3 times. So if I'm eating in the afternoon, what I take in the night is yogurt and any fruit of my choice as a topping. Yeah, I had to charter a lot of Greek yogurt from Lazada, because I sent Go Rider to get me yogurt and they were getting me nonsense drinks. I had to, since I don't have the strength to go out, and I feel it will be hard to get Greek yogurt in the mall, I had to buy from Lazada. Like anybody that comes to my house will know that something is up, because my fridge is full with Greek yogurt. Yeah, so I had to buy Greek yogurt. That's what I take at night with maybe banana or watermelon is just once in a while, but banana is the major. I take yogurt, banana, and sometimes I just put small honey. Trust me, yogurt will make you so full. Even if you take it in the afternoon, you might forget to eat during that day, because yogurt makes you full and it's healthy. And again, I stopped taking fried food a lot. I had to buy air fryer because of this diet. Yes, that was the reason I bought air fryer, so I don't have to be frying chicken a lot. I don't have to be frying chicken. I don't have to be frying plantain all the time. These things are sweet, but man, they are doing more harm than good. Trust me. And honestly, seeing the changes is giving me joy. Honestly, it's giving me joy. So though the the plantain you do with your air fryer is not as sweet as the one you would do with you fry. You get, the one you fry is sweeter than the one you use air fryer for, but man, you know what you want to achieve. And for the chicken, no much difference. I think I even prefer air fryer than frying in oil, honestly. Yeah, so what again do I even do? I reduced my intake of milk. Yeah, milk too is another thing. Milk has a lot of fats in it. I reduced my intake of milk. And what again? Any day I cheat on my diet. I have cheat days, which is on Sundays. On Sundays I cheat. When I mean cheats, I eat 2 times a day, whereas I'm supposed to eat once and my dinner is supposed to be yogurt and fruits. But any day I decide to cheat and I eat afternoon and evening, your babe takes laxative. Let me show you the laxative I'm taking. This is the laxative I take any day I cheat on my diet. Yeah, so though some people are like, it's not good to take laxative all the time. Trust me, I don't cheat all the time. I cheat once in a week. Sometimes I don't cheat at all, because for me to cheat, I have to cook, and I'm busy to cook. So this is so good. Honestly, it's looking somehow. For those of you that don't like herbs or something, you'll be thinking it's bitter, but anybody that know me know that I don't like bitter things. So for me to be drinking it is sweet. Cinnamon has a nice taste, plus the honey, it covers the apple cider, because apple cider is not nice at all. Even the smell, if you can't stand smell, you can't take apple cider. Apple cider smells so bad, considering the fact it's from fermented apple. So that will be all for this video. If there's any question, you can let me know. There are other teas you can take if you don't have the strength to go through all this long process. Sorry, I have the one of just 2. You just boil 2 things and that's it. But yeah, just boil 2 things. That's ginger and clove. But I had to stop that due to some reasons. They said taking too much clove is not good for you as a lady, so I just had to, reduce my clove intake and substituted it with cinnamon and others. So yeah, that's all for this video. Let's look snatch this Christmas. If you're gonna try this, let me know and do your before and after. Honestly, I'm going to show you guys the picture that warranted this diet of a thing. Like, there was a picture I took and I was like, Abi, is this you? And my birthday photo shoot this year, I wanted it to be, what I'm saying I wanted it to be is because I've already taken the pictures. I took it early because, long story, I'm traveling. I wanted my picture to look so perfect, so I had to start diet. I cannot spend all those money on pictures. Don't worry, I'm going to gist you guys later. I cannot spend all those money on pictures and I'll now be looking like one pregnant goat. But anyways, that's all for this video. Bye. See you guys in my next one.